Hi guys. Okay, so we're in Norwich. Here with Meg. Wait, and here with Dan. So it's all Christmassy and it's like things going on. It's like rah man rah. Look at Santa Claus. Look at him. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Go on, twerk it, baby.
Twerk it, Santa. Jingle all the way. Okay, we're going to town hall now because that was dramatic, wasn't it?
Santa was twerking.
Santa was twerking. It was like, yeah, a bit of Miley on stage. Okay, we're here at the hall and they're going to throw some big balls.
As high as they can go. It's almost like being at a Rolling Stones gig just before Christmas.
Oh, we're still waiting for a ball. It's going that way. So close. I like it.
Okay, as our snowballs
heavy balls. Well, I have to say that was so dramatic. I think I nearly died. Oh my god.
Never buy the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my home, all that you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming.
breaking fast. I tell you what, Santa, I think I got it all. That's a lot of two front teeth I can hear out there in Norwich this year. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the fairly famous family and the Liver Cottage Cafe! Come on! Whoa! Pan, egg, fire, egg, pan, egg, fire, pan, egg!
Thank you.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Went down a bit funny that. All right, this time from 5 again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at that! We're going to do a quick thing from Jake. What's this?
I just want to take a quick twit vid that I'm going to send to my 800,000 followers. So you need to make Norwich look amazing, right? So when I pan the camera, I want the best cheer that you've ever mustered. Are you okay with that? Right. And go.
The lights and the fireworks. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Okay guys, so that was it. That's the Norwich Christmas lights switch on. The rest is boring now, so yay! Bye guys.
But thank you to all of our entertainers.